Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm counting down the top 3 best portable massage beds and chairs for pros and home users. Sturdy tables for full treatments, a compact facial therapy bed, and a pro-grade travel table. Each pick covers the essentials: what it is, the specs, current price range, and the quick pros and cons, ready for voiceover. Let's jump into number 1. Yaheetech Portable Adjustable Massage Table. Product name first. This section, foldable spa table from Yaheetech comes with a removable headrest, armrest, hand pallet, and an adjustable face cradle so you can tailor client positioning. Key specs include height adjustment across multiple positions, roughly 25 to 34 in depending on model, durable PVC upholstery, and a hardwood beach frame that folds into a carry case for portability. Current pricing floats in the budget to mid-tier, often around the low to mid-$80s on major retailers, making it an affordable pro-style option. Pros: very portable, simple tool-free setup, good weight capacity, and easy cleaning. Cons: carriage case and accessories can feel basic, finish varies by batch, and heavier therapists may prefer a thicker cushion. 2. Best Massage Portable Folding Facial Massage Bed. Product name first. Best Massage to Fold Portable Bed is aimed at facialists and mobile therapists who need quick setup. Its key features are a 2-inch dense foam top, widened metal hinges for stability, height adjustability about 24 to 34 in, and a non-woven or carrying bag for transport. Current pricing is very wallet-friendly. You'll commonly see this in the roughly $60 to $90 range depending on width and seller. Pros: lightweight for a full-length table, easy to unfold and lock, and surprisingly sturdy for the price. Cons: padding is thinner than high-end pro tables, the carry bag is basic, and long-term durability can vary by unit. 3. Master Massage Galaxy Professional Portable Table. Pro Package. Product name first. This is a step up, a Master Massage Galaxy Class portable massage table package built for professionals, featuring a wider, typically 30 work surface, multi-layer foam, often memory thermotop options, quick-set leg adjusters, and a substantial carrying case. Specs commonly list full-size length, ~70 to 84 in options, height range ~24 34 in, weight around mid-30s 40 pounds, and high working load ratings. Current pricing sits in the pro tier. You'll typically find these Master Massage Galaxy packages around mid-hundreds at specialty dealers, example roughly $250 to $450 depending on configuration. Pros: premium foam and upholstery, higher weight capacity and better accessories, arm shelf, 6-way face cradle. Cons: heavier and pricier than consumer tables, and replacement parts upgrades cost more, but it's the better long-term choice for regular professional use. There you have it. 1 budget pro table, 1 value facial therapy bed, and 1 professional package for heavy use.